Hi guys, and welcome to another video. Today I'm testing the Vertex Forex robot or bot to see if it will make money. You can check their website at www.vertexforextrading.com. As usual, I'm not getting paid 1 cent to do this review. I just like to test Forex bots and bring you real results and real reviews. Stick to the end of this video and I'll show you all the trades that the robot has taken. To install the bot on your MT4, click on the top left menu, File, Open, Data Folder, MQL4, install library.ex4 in the Libraries folder, and install the Vertex tags EURUSDEA.ex4 in your Experts folder. Don't forget to close MT4 and then reopen it before you start. The author of this bot recommends using it on EURUSD 1 hour chart. The app started with taking 2 trades, a buy and a sell, as you can see here. After that, the algorithm took more complicated moves, and within 2 days it made around $18 on few trades. Most trades were around 0.01 lot in size. Few were at 0.02 or 0.03 lots. So small trades. So far my research shows that the bot does not encounter huge drawdowns like other bots. The maximum is about 5%, if that. That may change in future though once I test it for a longer time. I am on the 3rd day right now and profits are already up to $39. The app took around 40 trades, 28 of those were profitable. What I like about this robot is it keeps losses to a minimum. The biggest one trade loss so far was about $2.58, while the biggest win was $7.51. So far I like what I see, but I'll continue testing this robot, make more videos and let you know the result. Until next video, take care.